In this video lecture, we solve a problem based on IC engine. A 4-stroke petrol question is given that a 4-stroke petrol engine delivers 35 kilowatt with a mechanical efficiency of 80%. The fuel consumption of the engine is 4 kg per kilowatt hour and the air fuel ratio is 4:1. The heating value of fuel is 43,000 kilojoule per kg. Then find first the indicated power, the frictional power, the brake thermal efficiency, the fuel consumption per hour, and the air consumption per hour. Fuel, no, air. First of all, we write a given data. First of all, given BP is 35 kilowatt, mechanical efficiency is 80%, fuel consumption of the engine is 0.4 kg kilowatt hour, means brake specific fuel consumption, this is 0.4 kg per kilowatt hour, and air fuel ratio, this is 14:1, or calorific value, the heat value of fuel, that means calorific value, 43,000 kilojoule per kg. First, we find out the value of indicated power. First, indicated power will be found in mechanical efficiency formula. Mechanical efficiency is BP upon IP. Mechanical efficiency value is given in question and BP also given in question. So in this formula we find the value of IP. Then IP equal to BP upon mechanical efficiency. Then IP equal to BP 35 kilowatt divided by mechanical efficiency 80% means 0.8. Then 35 divided by 0.8. The value of IP is 43.75 kilowatt. IP equal to 43.75 kilowatt. Next, second, we found the value of frictional power. Friction power. Pen दाओ तो. Friction power. Friction power means FP. This is equal to IP minus BP. Both IP and BP, IP value we found and BP value is given in question. So BP is 43.75 IP value minus 35 BP value. So 43.75 minus 35 means 8.75. So FP is equal to 8.75 kilowatt. Next, the brake thermal efficiency? At that time, we cannot find the brake thermal efficiency because mass of fuel is not given. First of all, we found the value of mass of fuel, then we found the value of brake thermal efficiency. The mass of fuel is found in the formula of brake specific fuel consumption. Okay, so fuel consumption per hour is found in brake specific fuel consumption formula. This is equal to mass of fuel upon BP. So mass of fuel equal to BSFC into BP. BSFC given in question 0.4 kg per kilowatt hour, or BP is given by 35. The value is 0.4 into 35 means 14. The mass of fuel, this is given 14 kg per hour. Next, we found brake thermal efficiency. The brake thermal efficiency, this is given by BP upon mass of fuel into calorific value. If mass of fuel is in kg per hour, then we multiply 3600 in this formula. So BP is given by 35 into 3600, mass of fuel is 14 into calorific value is given 43000. 43000. Then 35 into 3600 divided by 14 into 43000. Found the value of brake thermal efficiency. This is equal to 0.209. 0.209 means 9%. Last, we found the value of air consumption. Per hour. So mass of air, this is equal to air fuel ratio into mass of fuel. So air fuel ratio 14:1 into mass of fuel is 14. So this is 14 into 14 means 169. So mass of fuel is 169 kg per hour. Thank you.